Hey, how you guys doing? I want to talk about my project. My project is a sniffer that extract data from UDP packages. Uh, I was thinking, somebody told me like you can make using Python, you can make a sniffer like Wireshark. Wireshark is a sniffer that extract data from the packages that are running in the network. UDP, TCP, any type of packages that run on the network. So I decided to create one uh, like Wireshark. No, not like Wireshark, but a specific one. Uh, Wireshark, you know, do the TCP analysis, do everything like that. You're gonna see uh, my code over here. Is using Python. I was having issues like getting permissions to run on the network. The firewall was every time I was trying to run it on Linux first, but I decided to run it on Windows. It was really difficult, so I used Anaconda. Anaconda is a program that make you run things on a specific network. Uh, so I'm gonna talk about my code. So to creating this sniffer, I got to import many libraries. I got to import the IP address. I got to import the socket. That is really important because that's the where the packages run for. The stroke, the systems, the trading, and the time. Uh, I try to run it on a specific subnet, just using for testing. Because if you try to do it many other subnets, it's gonna be kind of difficult. It's gonna be kind of like more complex stuff. I use this code is like to show that you can do a packet tracer type of software on your own, and you can customize for anything. In this example, I'm gonna do the UDP, but you can create a TCP or something like that. You got to create the class first. It's gonna get the data from the socket. Uh, the the class ICMP. The data is we got to unpack the data from the ICPN. ICMP is a type of UDP, TCP are transport layers that help track send a packages from one side to another side. Uh, ICPN is a trial internet protocol suite that that they got the code, the checksum, and the content. So we had to extract the content of the data. That's what I was trying to do in this code. Uh, so the most difficult thing was creating all this thing and just getting the permission from Windows, uh, getting the socket, getting everything like that, the scanner. So it's gonna scan the packages. The packages have a head, body, and tail. So it's gonna extract the data from there. Uh, that's what I was hoping for. I was aiming for. And I put this thing because requires privilege to create new raw sockets. That was the main thing it was doesn't allow me to do. So I just try to create a way to do it. Uh, it's gonna capture the package. It's gonna extract the data from the packages. So if it doesn't detect this network protocol, it's gonna stop. It's gonna shut down if you don't follow the things. Uh, so we're gonna run it. Uh, it's gonna set the packages to the same uh, subnet we choose, where it was 192.68.1.0/30. So we see here is detecting packages and it's capturing packages and everything like that. Um, it's gonna extract the data. Uh, it's gonna extract the data from all the packages they're gonna be running on the network. Um, mm, we see here it's taking time and it's gonna capture packages and packages. Um, that's what I was hoping for. This is like example. It could be more complex. It could be more specific. You can create any tool that uh, you know there is any open software out there that they do things like that, and you can create your own, and you can uh, do it so it can fix your needs and what you're expecting to do. So thank you for your time, and this is example. I didn't make it so complicated. I didn't make it like really big. It's kind of complicated because you got to get the permissions. You got to know about the networks. You got to know a little bit of everything. So that was the main uh, problem by it was done. Uh, Thank you. Have a wonderful day.